this will be my sacrifice.
What's up? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we were doing a test drive on a 1972 Cadillac Coupe Deville. Decided to pull in the parking lot here and do a walk around video, point out any kind of flaws inside out all the way around the car. We do this with every car on the lot. Check out maplemotors.com. You can see all of our inventory. We also have financing and shipping. It's all available at that website. Plus, there's like 100 detailed pictures of every car and all of our inventory. What we're gonna do in this video is point out all the flaws I can find. That way you know what you're getting before you get here. We'll start up here in the front. Hit that subscribe button and definitely check out the test drive. 472 under the hood. It's got all the AC options and everything, but the AC's not kicking on. I'm not exactly sure what's wrong with the AC, but it's got power steering, real smooth ride to it. Got these aftermarket wheels. We do have wheel options at the lot, so if you don't like these, we got different ones. Gonna start up here in the front. The chrome bumper on this is in pretty good condition all the way around the front. It does have some minor stuff, a little haziness popping up here and there, but most of it looks all nice and clean. Headlight bezels are in good condition as well. Let's make our way around the side here. I'm gonna be looking for any imperfections. The trim looks nice and clean. The tires are in good shape. Coming down the side here, we're gonna look at the bottom of the car. Any bubbles or anything that stands out, I will point it out to you. It's a nice solid car. Coming back down this side, it's pretty good. Even the chrome looks pretty good on the door handles and all the trim around the windows. Mirrors are in good shape. Trim around the front window is nice and clean. I got a little piece of something here chipping away. Vinyl top. It's not all ripped up. It is older, but it looks good. It's kind of coming off there. There's a little bubble underneath this in the corner there. Other than that, it looks pretty good. Coming back around the back side here, back window trim's nice. I will be shutting the hood and the trunk before the video's up. Look at the back end on this, it looks awesome. All right, coming around. Get your exhaust pipe down there. One coming out the back bumper's in great shape. Very cool. Extra tire in the trunk. It's got this mat in here, it's all glued down, it's not gonna come up. See some rust popping up right there on them fender wells on both sides. Package tray's got some surface rust on it, nothing major. Got panels and stuff inside here. You can see a little bit of rust popping up in the trunk pan. It's probably all original, so. The lid's not too bad in the back. Some of the edges have a little bit of surface rust popping up on it. Go ahead and shut this down here. Flip that up, put the key in, it opens it up. Shuts down nice and easy. Lines up good. Let's head down this side. So that's nice and clean as well. Have a chip right here on the paint. Trim here, it's missing some clips. I noticed it come off during the test drive video a couple times. Those little clips are broke. They have them in AutoZone. I ought to run up here and grab a few of them. Door handle's in good shape. Coming on down. Looking for imperfections like that. There's a chip. Little scratch on the trim. Most part, this thing's in good shape. Huge hood. All right, we've made it all the way around. Insulation nice up under the hood, nice and clean. Let's go ahead and check this interior out. Buzzer works. I'm gonna have to stop it though. There we go. Coming up on this door, it does have a crack in the door panel there. Tons of controls we'll be trying out. Weather stripping's older, but it's still doing its job. Let's look around this side. It's still soft. Checking the bottom of the door. The jams. Oh, we missed some leaves. Some leaves. The seat here has some rips on it that you could see. Try to get out of the light. Coming down the side. Bottom portion, same way. I'm all in the sun right now. Shadows casting everywhere. Back seat's in good shape. Headliner looks awesome. Nice and clean. Go ahead, place your bet. We like to bet. Do you think the horn works on this one? Half the horns at the lot don't, so possibility. Starts up nice and easy. Got the big block in it. Showing 94,000 miles. Very well could be. I can't stand behind it, but it very well could be. It's a 72 model, so it makes it harder. Blower motor does work. AC's not kicking on though. Radio. Jamming. My power window over here is messed up. All the rest of the windows work good, as you can see. But I did try that in the driver video, and it looks like this motor might be out on the power window on that side. Same with the power locks. It's trying, but it ain't doing it. Let me make sure it wasn't the switch. Yep, power window's out over there. You got your wipers. That worked. And I think that was it. This is pretty cool. This actually moves the mirror over there. Look at that. Oh, nifty. Horn. Heck yeah. Old clock. Oh no, she ain't working. Good deal. Motor runs pretty good. It's nice and strong, smooth going down the road. All right, when you put the hood down, you gotta pull on it a little bit because they got some strong springs. You have to have strong springs. This is a massive hood. It lines up very well. Got a great look to it. Looks like the only thing that's not stock on this is the wheels. Like I said, if you don't like the wheels, we can do something about it. If you like the wheels, we'll leave them on there. That's fine. We got extra tire in the trunk, so. I think it gives it a good modified look. but everybody's entitled to their own opinion of wheels. What we're gonna do now is do some undercarriage shots. I do have close to 100 detailed pictures on maplemotors.com, so check that out. Look under this. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We're about to go back on the test drive. Head on back to the lot. So if you want to see that test drive video, wait till the last 30 seconds of this one, and boom, there it is. Also, check out maplemotors.com for shipping, financing, all of our inventory, and 100 detailed pictures of every car. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.